Welcome back to another video. In this episode, we want to look at how we can check if this particular equation satisfies this matrix that we have right here. So this equation, this is a quadratic equation. Okay, so this is the equation m squared minus 3m plus 5 equals 0. And we have been given this matrix, the m. It was 1, neg 3, 1, and 2. Okay, so we want to check if this particular matrix, okay, satisfies this equation. Okay, so this means that whatever we do here, when we substitute the matrix and we solve, the result should be give us a zero matrix. Okay, so let's check it out. We have m squared here, meaning we have to find the product of m itself. So we have m squared m squared will be equal to m times m, right? So we have minus and 2. So this times itself. Good. So here we have our m squared here. Matrix multiplication, this times this 1 plus this times this, that will become negative 3. Then this times this, that is negative 3. This times this, that is negative 6, right? Then we have 1 times 1, that is 1. 1, 2 times 1, that is 2. 1 times negative 3, that is negative 3. And 2 times 2, that is 4, right? So here we have our m squared to be negative 2, negative 9, 3, and positive 1, right? So we have the m squared. The equation is m squared minus 3m plus 5. So what we have to know that this 5 here, we cannot subtract or we cannot add a scalar to a matrix. So we have to multiply the 5 by an identity matrix. So once we have this, we have to find our 3m. So our 3m will be equal to 3 multiply the matrix, right? Here. So we are going to have 3, 3, 3, 9, 3, and 6, right? So that is our 3m. So now let's look for the 5. Now the 5, we have to multiply by an identity matrix, okay, because we cannot add a scalar to a matrix. So here we have our 5m, our 5i, which is the identity matrix, times the 5 become 5 times 1, 0, 0, 1, right? And that is equal to 5, 0, 0, 5, right? So we have all the parameters now. So let's add them and see if it will give us a zero matrix. So from here, we have m squared to be negative 2, negative 9, 3, 1, and minus 3m, that is this here, 3, neg 9, 3, 6 here, plus 5 over here, and the 5 is the 5i. Okay, so 5i we have here to be 5005. Okay, so this result should give us 0, meaning it should give us a 0 matrix. So we have here to be equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, right? So let's verify. So here minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Minus 9 minus 9 becomes 0. 3 minus 3 becomes 0. 1 minus 6 becomes minus 5, right? Plus 5005, right? And this should be equal to a 0 matrix, right? So when we add these two matrices, we are going to have minus 5 plus 5 becomes 0. 0 plus 0 becomes 0. 0 plus 0 becomes 0. minus 5 plus 5 becomes 0. So this should be equal to a 0 matrix. So we have proven it. So we can say that this equation satisfies this particular matrix. So that's m equals 1, 3, 1, 2 satisfies the equation m squared minus 3m plus 5 equals 0. That is the process. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your mates, and I'll give you more updates. Bye bye.